What's up and welcome back to another video. First off, if you found this video, there's a reason, and for that same reason, someone else out there needs to find this video as well. So please hit that like button so that they can find it, and also helps my video out with YouTube's algorithm. So thank you in advance. Today's video, a couple of you guys were asking me my opinion on working for an independent shop since my last video on my pros and cons on working for a dealership. I can't really come with any negatives right now, but there is a lot of positives, and I can go on and on. Instead, I'd rather just show you a glimpse of my day. You can draw your own opinion, but again, this is my experience. It doesn't necessarily mean your experience is going to be the same, but hopefully it gives you kind of an idea, and you can see the difference between working for a dealership and working for an independent shop. I'm not going to say either or is better, but from my personal experience, I'd rather be in an independent shop. So anyway, let's get into the video.
You watching the GaugesNGasoline YouTube channel.
WD-40?